So here we are, Kefalonia day 2. We're just driving on the way to Poros beach and stopped off for a quick sightsee of this nice little bay thing. We're driving the absolute bad boy Panda, or as we like to call it, the shag wagon, because you get all the girls and boys in that. So this isn't Poros beach, but we stopped off because we saw this nice little blue water thing on the way. Blue water thing being the sea, obviously. There she is, Gollum. We made it to Poros beach. Here we go. Yeah. Actually, scratch that, we got the wrong place. It's over there, in that distance. Close enough there. Cue the overused music sub effect. Oh wow, that was good, Josh. That's so original. Wow. Here she comes. Will she do it? So swimming in Poros is done. We drove over now to Mounda beach, which is also next to a beach called, what's it called, Tara? The other beach?
Kaminia.
Kaminia. And hopefully we're going to see some turtles. No turtles yet. Seen any? I see a frog, but I don't see any turtles.
I thought the turtles would be on the main road.
Yeah, that's a good point. You've got me there. Basically, we parked up at Mounda, and now we're walking over to Kaminia beach, because that's apparently where the turtles are. And I think we're going to go for yet another swim. Absolutely riveting day. If you like seeing people swimming in the sea with some fucking unoriginal effects on the water every time we go underneath, then you're watching the right video, I tell you that. It's crazy. So Tara, about to have our second swim of the day in Kaminia beach. Water is actually well warm. Do you think we'll see some turtles out at sea?
I hope so, but I doubt it.
Well, this would be pretty disappointing if after all that there's no turtles. We're currently very far out and it's still extremely shallow. That's pretty mad. She's standing up. This is pretty much the clearest sea on a beach I've ever swam in. Nice goggles look, by the way. But yeah, have a look at this, it's well clear. We're gonna walk out and see how far we can go standing up before we have to start swimming, because we are well far out and we can still stand up. That's fucking mental.
I think that'll be sooner rather than later for me.
Well, she's a bit of a midget, so. Well, vertically challenged, sorry.
Well, you've got a whole foot on me.
And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. So this is how far Tara can stand out. As I'm a little bit taller, let's see how far away I can stand up before I have to stop. See how much further I can get. Still going. I think I might drown very shortly, but there you go. This is how far I can go. That's how far Tara can go. But look how fucking far we are. This is a fact, by the way. This is actually where they filmed Deep Blue Sea, the film. Not this place, just the sea. It's fucking mental. That's a fact for you. I'm sure my hair looks quite interesting right now, but we've just done our swim in Kaminia beach, is it called? Kaminia. I can't remember it. It's really annoying. Just done our swim in Kaminia. Now we're walking along the beachfront Still trying to find those goddamn turtles. Come on. So it turns out that we googled it and we won't actually be seeing any turtles today. And Tara's going to give you the facts behind why that is. Tara, well, we now cross live to Tara Majori, resident turtlist. Tara, please tell us a bit more about the situation.
Apparently they only really come out at night, and then the parent turtles come from the sea, swim out to lay their little nests, and then obviously they hatch and crawl back into the sea.
Thanks Google. We didn't get to see turtles, but she just nearly fell down the stairs. Had lunch in Skala and now we're going to check out fourth beach for the day, Skala Beach. And here you go, Skala Beach.